New number?
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Na know you.
Ukani Petwa.
Oh, Petwa.
Yes.
Wow. Buju. Bubushi.
By the way, you stop those words of yours. Ukaunzirira buhwali.
Mmasabalo Maria tekasufe wa mabululu ta.
Iya wa mabulu. Ne mwana wembo wa ingola shina.
It's you who chose to move on. Wate wafuna omukaka. Mudosi tajiri.
Omwene waba serious ta?
Era nasemba analomene. Petwa ngaholarie kumoyo kushiri nyuma.
Ne mwana we.
Amanyire ndiyatse hoyima sirinji. Ne kumoyo kulino.
Fana mbo wa indoka. Bari wafuna omungu anyina nahunyali. Nali wae no mungu anyimwe no kani hakusimula.
Mungu anyali maika.
Tamuseo.
Hati yesomero.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well. We need to meet. Spend some time together. Can you hear?
For sure, I also miss being around you.
Kubona na holina, no?
I think December.
December? That is very far. Unyala witsa homu October mwenda, yes.
Nyali hata ikana December. Naviyo msetenditsa hubona hobalebe base. Awafukilisa.
Oh, I now get it. I get it. So deal?
Of course, deal.
When is the date? Nihumbolelende nirenge he?
7th December.
Oh, wow. 7th December. Okay, I'm going to circle my calendar. No hambia. So where is the meeting point?
Musache Gardens.
Why is that?
Kushifulusha Rising Girls. Hasta 95.
So you're coming?
Shana ngaba nafika. Hey. By the way, interest have siringi tsengo.
Na uliya bari ordinary kumutwalo. Then VIP chimutwalo chibiri. There is a table of 300, 500 and 1 million. So there are million how haliye. Yes.
Hey.
Spending of savings ziba bosi hubale ho account. Ni hamoto ahesu musetsa hukulira. Uhaliye kaso hulia no musetsa oli ni kumoyo ko. Yo atsa huyima sirinji. It's an sirinji wandi ataka chips wase ni chicken. Era mwibiri mwomo muri metrera yebulazi ni poultry farm yetsingoho.
Hey, warefa.
First wait. Fana na shombe wambulie ndi hukani ahusimu wa remu ifumbiro. Let me call you back shortly.
Okay, wanya.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Papa we basi ya Tamuseo waliwa.
Baya umwana atsi yesomero.
Iya, Tamuseo wakutya hesomero tawe.
Wakutya ta.
Tamuseo. Ukwa makale wibisina hano mumeza. Uti yesomero ta. Abo kola shembe. Roma mangu. Ish, Roma. Ukumba Roma meza. Wama humbulia bisa ndu hukani ahusimu. Wama biulira.
Numbebuzika ngabolata. Mbebuzika busana bol.
Ni wakaka ko abolira mawo adelo mondwera. Nala kusalaho kumurwewo.
Atanga wande zarizira na bolera mai.
Kwamubolera ta, wewe ukamubolera ta.
Ukibuza ta, ndi hukana busika.